Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video where I am going to give you some step by which you can unlock your smartphones of forgotten pin pattern and password. So be with us at the end of this video, and if you're watching this video then I'm sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. And the main thing is that of this video, by this method you're not going to losing any data of your smartphone. You don't have to visit any service center of a smartphone and you don't need any computer application, okay? But the main thing is that before starting this method you will have to charge your phone at least 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method you will have to charge your phone at least 30%, or you may also use your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method. So let's start this method. First of all, you will have to switch off your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network, because this method is known as offline unlocking method. And for this, simply you will have to slide your phone downside and you will have to click on this airplane mode button. Now you can see here, after clicking on this airplane mode button, all the network has been removed now. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking mode method. And after this, simply you will have to slide your phone upside and you will have to go with the emergency SOS option, and you will have to open your phone's dialing pad. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page or engineers mode page. And this USSD code is *#899 and #. Now you can see here, after feeding this number *#899 and #, a new page has been appeared and the page name is after sales page. You can see here this page name is after sales page, okay? Now after this you can see here there are lots of options on this page, okay? But you will have to go with the option of a manual test option. You can see here a manual test option is showing here at the 4th number. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page and the page name is engineers mode page. You will get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side and you will have to reach to the option of others, which will comes at the end of the slide. Now you can see here there are 5 type of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of mainboard version. It's also known as database version, okay? Simply you will have to click on this mainboard version 9 times rapidly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now the step has been completed. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important log test option at the 2nd number. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this it will ask to confirm here, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here at the first time and you will have to continue repeat this process 3 times continuously. Now 3 times has been completed. Now at the 4th time, when you will go with this, you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will go with this OK button, it will show you a pop-up that is wrong password. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and password now on reconstruction mode, okay? Now the very last step what I am going to give you is most important, so don't skip the last step. After this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side and you will have to reach to the option of device debugging option, okay? Now you can see here there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option at the 6th number. Simply you will have to click on this. When you will click on this, you will get a 3 type of option on your phone display. Maybe possible your phone will be showing here 1 option or 2 options, so don't worry at all. All the option will be showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start these operations by clicking on this, okay? So I am going to click here. You can see here test has been started, test failed, test has been started, test failed, started. You can see here there is a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means this phone has been completely unlocked, okay? Now you will have to check whether this phone has been unlocked or not. So how will you check? There is a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this. Now after clicking on this button, you can see here this phone has been completely unlocked and all the application which were in this smartphone as it is as in this smartphone. So this trick really works, and the main thing is that you are not going to losing any data of your smartphone by this method. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this method, then do the like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this method, then subscribe our channel and join us. Our team will quick response after your joining and give you a special appearance with the help of video call. Thank you so much.